This is not a mock-up. It is a Windows executable, running, with a real database behind it, and every screen you are about to see was built with sgcHTML. The application is sgcERPServer.exe. Under 8 MB, no DLLs beside it, and no web server to install. You run it, it listens on port 5700, and it serves the whole thing itself. Here is the sign-in page. Not handwritten HTML, sgcHTML component rendered by the Delphi application. The demo credentials are admin and administration. Notice the second button as well. This application also accepts a passkey. And this is the dashboard. 12 customers, 10 products, 6 providers, 122 invoices, and just under €686,000 of revenue. Every one of those figures is a query against a SQLite file sitting next to the executable. Below them, revenue by month, and invoices broken down by status. The chart is a component, the status list is a component, and the recent invoices underneath are a data table. Customers is a data table too. 12 rows, with a code, a name, an email, a phone, a city, and an actions column. Products is the same pattern again, this time with the unit and the price. Invoices is the interesting one, because there are 122 of them, each with a status badge, and the table handles all of them without you writing any of it. Open one and you get the edit form, with the invoice header and its lines underneath. Reports ranks revenue by customer. Now the two things most worth watching. Theme first. Light, dark, or follow the operating system. One control, and the entire application changes. And language. This demo ships in 12 of them. Switching is a round trip to the Delphi application, which re-renders every label on the page. There is user management as well, and a security page for passkeys, so the whole sign-in story is in here too. One executable, one database file, and Delphi code. 17 applications like this one ship with a library. Find them all at eSeGeCE.com.